Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is again teacher Rhea. This time, I'm going to discuss on standard deviation of ungrouped data. So how are we going to solve for the standard deviation of ungrouped data? So we are going to make use of the formula SD is equal to the square root of the summation of the square of x minus mean over n. So what are these variables represents? We have SD refers to or represents the standard deviation. X is the score or individual score. X bar is the mean of the individual scores. N is the total number of scores. So to make you understand better, let's have an example. We have find the standard deviation of the scores 97, 92, 96, 95, and 90. So again, first thing that we're going to do is try to identify the value of our N. So by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, meaning N is equal to 5. Next is we need to solve for the mean. I have in my one video on how are you going to solve for the mean. We have there 97 plus 92 plus 96 plus 95 plus 90. So add all the scores, divide it with the total number of scores 5. And 97 plus 92 plus 96 plus 95 plus 90 is equal to 470. And 470 divided by 5, that is equal to 94, which means our mean is 94. Next is, again, same as with the concept of average deviation, the best way to solve for standard deviation is to create a table so that it will be very easy for us to identify the values necessary for the formula. So we have here again the table, but this time we have here x minus mean squared because that is the data we need for the standard deviation. So x minus mean, so 97 minus the mean 94 is 3. We have 92 minus 4 is negative 2. 96 minus 94 is 2. 95 minus 94 is 1. And 90 minus 94 is negative 4. This time, let's try to square all the difference. So 3 squared is 9. Negative 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. 1 squared is 1. And 4 squared or negative 4 squared is 16. Remember, any negative number, if it is being squared, the result is always positive. Next is, we will try to add everything. So 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 1, that's 18, plus 16 is 34, which means the summation of the square of x minus mean is equal to 34. And this is the data we need for the formula for standard deviation. Now that we have all the data necessary, we can now proceed to solving of the standard deviation using the formula. So by substitution, that is equal to, we already were able to get the value of this expression, which is 34. So we substitute it with 34, and the value of n is 5. And 34 divided by 5 is 6.8. And of course, using your calculators, the square root of 6.8 is 2.6 or approximately 2.6, which means the standard deviation of the scores 97, 92, 96, 95, and 90 is equal to 2.6. So I hope you learned something from my video. Please stay tuned or watch for the next videos about variance. So that is another measures of dispersion. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.